Warning: this video includes footage recorded post-operation and includes images of the patient's recovery process. Images of bruising, damaged tissues, bandaged wounds, and some small residual blood may be shown. While graphic close-ups are avoided, viewer discretion is advised.
거기가
sounds like a mother. Yeah, going a little subside.
Yeah, a little better.
Yeah. Very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Good. See you tomorrow.
멍이 많이 빠졌죠.
너무 많이
So the nurse is going to inject antibiotic for you.
Oh, sure. It was funny yesterday when I came and my painkiller was running low. I was like, oh crap, like my painkiller's almost gone. And then she filled it back up. I was like, yes. Thank God.
It's
I don't
48
know, like,
hours.
how I would sleep.
The nurse is going to put the painkiller injection for you. Hey, what's up you guys? It is Friday night, which means it is, oh god, let me think, Wednesday, Thursday, 3 days post-surgery. You have to kind of see my routine that I've been going through every time when I go into the clinic. There's like a little sign-in list. I sign in. If I want, I can get my hair washed, which I did today, and I get my dressing changed, which they kind of like take off the old dressing, clean everything up. They'll squeeze down my nose, which kind of hurts. To like get all the junk out, as well as vacuum through the little tubes that I've gotten here, which doesn't feel very comfortable. Nothing is like painful, it's just kind of like pressure and discomfort. I'm actually surprised that my nose doesn't hurt more than it does. It's kind of just this constant dull throbbing, almost like a headache sort of thing. Today I've had a lot less junk that I've been coughing up, so it's good that that's better. And then after I get my dressing changed, I go in and I have a facial, which you saw the whole facial routine there. Today when I came home, I was for some reason super insanely exhausted. So I passed out for a couple hours in the afternoon, and then when I woke up I was really groggy and out of it. But then I actually took a shower this evening. I still have my IV in here, so I like wrap this in cling wrap, and then my shower I'm able to take it off of the wall and just use it by hand. I'm lucky they didn't even need to take my ear cartilage like we thought that they might. They just used all my natural cartilage and stuff that was already in my nose. But I guess if they take your rib cartilage, you actually cannot shower for a week, like at all. I just feel better now. I just feel clean and kind of refreshed. I'm not really gonna have a huge dinner or anything, but I still have my little antibiotic pills I have to take. I finished the first round of packets from those pills that I had showed you guys, and now I have to start the second round, finishing up those antibiotics. Those are really important. If you ever have antibiotics, always make sure you finish the full round of them. I'm going in Saturday for another cleaning, as well as Sunday. I'm not really sure if tomorrow some of the extra bandaging comes off, or if they're doing it all on Sunday, but I do know that when I go into work on Monday, I'm only supposed to have bandages left across my nose. I'm not gonna have this full cast and all of the stuff inside. My guess is probably on Sunday. It'll kind of be nice to have this freed up a bit more. I'll be a little bit more presentable for going out in public. So yeah, cool. That's about it, and I'll give you guys another update tomorrow. Alright, sweet. See ya!